Needle-free injection technology is nothing new. It was first pioneered in France in the 19th century and commercialized in the US in the 1960s. But competition is driving innovation, with Britain's Glide Pharma showing off their latest device. It uses a spring, a little like a ballpoint pen, to push a small amount of a given drug through the skin. The substance is like a tiny pellet, smaller than a grain of rice.
Vaccinations as a whole is a huge area for us, both in first world countries and developing countries, where the benefits of the technology, having a needle-free system, getting away from the needles, is very important, but also having the drug in a solid dosage form, which typically means it will be more stable, and therefore potentially gets away from requiring the drug to be kept in a refrigerator.
A special extrusion machine acts as a giant mixer, pushing out the drugs, vaccines or other pharmaceutical products in solid form. They're then cut to the right size, with the tip sharpened to help it penetrate the skin. The drug is loaded into a cassette that's only used once and can then be thrown away with regular household waste. The substance injected dissolves into the bloodstream.
We are pushing into clinical trials in Q2 2007, and that will enable us to push forwards with the registration of our first product. But it's going to be a couple of years before we have our first product on the market.
As well as helping those who are needle phobic take the drugs they need, these kinds of devices are highly portable and can be used by patients at home. They could also be easier to use in areas with poor hygiene levels or disaster zones and